That's the reality of this world. There is no happiness here. You will never find true contentment in this world. Allah, the creator of this world, the creator of true happiness, has told us the only place, the only location you will ever find true happiness is where? He says, verily in the remembrance of Allah, the hearts, they find true rest, true happiness, true contentment. That's where you find it, not in this world. And He's also told us the opposite in the Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that whoever stays away from my remembrance, whoever stays away from my faith, from my way, from my path, whoever stays away from it, guess what? Allah promises, no doubt, Allah promises for that person is a miserable life. If you don't have Allah in your life, you will never be happy, regardless of how much money you have. The equation is just not there. You want true happiness? Then run to Allah. That's where true happiness is. It's not in this world. Don't exhaust your effort and waste your life chasing a mirage, chasing something that Allah has promised us. It will be destroyed. You want true happiness? Run to Allah. Allah will give you true happiness in this life and in our real home, the everlasting home, the home that will never ever have new owners except for you, Jannah. That's what we're seeking.